Look at your screen time today. If it is over 4 hours, you are working a part-time job for free. The billionaires in Silicon Valley built this device to steal your most valuable asset. And no, it's not your money, it is your attention. In the modern economy, wealth is a direct result of focus. If you cannot focus on a single task for more than 20 minutes without checking your phone, you will never build a business. You will never escape the rat race. Here is exactly how your phone is keeping you poor, and the one protocol you need to take your brain back. Trap number one, the dopamine hijack, is every time you swipe, your brain gets a hit of cheap dopamine. It feels exactly like achieving a goal, but you did absolutely nothing. You are draining the fuel you need to build a real life and wasting it on 15-second videos. The rich get richer by producing content. The poor stay poor by consuming it. Every hour you spend scrolling is an hour someone else gets paid for your attention. Trap number two, fake productivity. You think you're learning. You watch videos about crypto, drop shipping, and real estate. You save them to your bookmarks. But consuming business content is not building a business. It is procrastination in a smart disguise. Watching a tutorial about making money triggers the same reward in your brain as actually making money, so you never take action. You are full of knowledge, but your bank account is empty. The escape plan is simple, but it is brutal. It's called deep work. Tomorrow morning, do not touch your phone for the first 2 hours after waking up. Put it in another room. Take a piece of paper, write down the one hardest task that will actually move your life forward, and do it. No music, no notifications, no distractions, just you and the work. If you can do this for 90 days, you will outperform 99% of people who are still paralyzed by their screens. Your phone is a tool. You either use it to print money or it uses you to print money for someone else. The choice is yours. Put the phone down and go build something. Welcome to Rise Empire. If you are ready to reclaim your focus, hit subscribe. See you at the top.